Hello guys, and welcome to this very short video about the NPRO Airdrop. So the claiming just went live, all right, about 5 minutes ago, and right now you can go ahead and claim your NPRO Airdrop if you actually participated on it. So this airdrop, we have been farming it for some months, and this is the right time that we all have been waiting for, because we can now go ahead and claim our airdrop. All right, so make sure you watch the video till the end, do not skip any part, as we are going to be unraveling more ways that you can earn NPRO airdrop even if you didn't participate on the previous one that just ended right now. All right, so first of all, let's talk about the latest update regarding this project called NPRO. So we all know that NPRO airdrop came from Near Blockchain, and of course right here they have already been listed on Dex Craner and some other Dex exchanges, and of course right here you can see the price of the token was actually snapped about 1 hour ago, where it has actually flied above $0.9, approximately $1. But currently the price just dropped a little bit because the trading has become live, and a lot of people have been claiming their token, and they are now selling. That's what's causing the price to go down. But still, you do not have to panic about anything, as we personally expecting the price to actually go up within a short period of time. So let's go straight to the main point, which is of course how we can be able to claim the NPRO airdrop, guys. So over here on the last update that they gave to us about 2 hours ago, they said that NPRO pool is now live on Rare Finance. Rare Finance is actually where you can trade it, and they went ahead to give us this link that will take us to where we can trade it. And they also said a new version of the app with the claim enabled is releasing on the next few hours. So they said that they are going to release the latest version of the Near mobile app that's going to allow you to be able to claim. So the first thing you need to do right now is to of course come over here to the Play Store and get to update your own app. But currently, by the time I'm recording this video, the updates is not yet live on Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, you can go ahead to check if the update is right there, but currently the update is not here. That is why there is no button showing us claim right here. All right, so even if you come over here to the front page, you can see that there is no claim button. The only thing is that the timer has stopped counting, and if you come over here, you can see it has actually ended. There's no timer here anymore, meaning that the timer has elapsed, and currently we can be able to claim our token. So before you can be able to claim your token, you need to wait for a couple of hours so that the latest version that is going to allow you to be able to claim your token will be released on Play Store or Apple Store, so that from there you can update your own app to the latest version and be able to claim. All right, so let's go ahead and find out the current price of this NPRO token that we are about to claim. So as they gave us link right here on the X account, so I'm just gonna have to try and copy this link. Okay, I've just copied the link. Then I will come over here and I'm going to paste the link right here. Let's find out the listing price, the current price of this token NPRO. All right, so watch the video till the end, do not skip any part. So over here, this is where we can actually be able to trade our NPRO airdrop. So I'm going to be leaving the link over there on the video description box, so if you want to trade it, it will be very easy for you. So first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. I will click on connect wallet, then I'm gonna have to confirm this. I will click on this box right here to confirm this. Then I'm gonna have to choose my wallet Near. Okay, so right now I need to search for my wallet right here, Near mobile wallet. This is it. So you can see it is now connecting to mobile so I just need to sign the request. Okay, and of course you can see the fee right here. I will click on approve, and I think we should be good to go. Okay, all right, just give it a little time to load up, and we are going to be good to go right now. Okay, so you can see message signed. I'm gonna have to close this right now. My wallet is connected, and if you look over here right now, you can see that 1 year is equivalent to this. This is of course Rare, the native token of this particular exchange. So I'm gonna be changing this to NPRO, right? So I'm gonna be changing it to NPRO. We just have to search for it. Okay, this is NPRO. I will click on it, and I'm gonna have to change this to USD. Okay, I'm just on USDT. So over here right now, you can see that currently by the time of making this video, one NPRO is equivalent to $0.6. So this is a very nice price, but the only problem that I know a lot of us will probably encounter is the fact that we couldn't accumulate enough amount of NPRO. Like personally right here on my own dashboard, you can see I only have 5.3729 NPRO, which I'm going to claim. This is what I'm going to be able to claim, and clearly a lot of people out there got way more than what I got right here, and on the other hand, a lot of people got way less than this. All right, because the major reason why I got this much is actually because I have referrals. I have about 81 or 85 downliners, and I believe some people out there won't be able to pull that amount of referral. So by just staking your NPRO, you could earn way bigger than this, but it all depends on how much you actually stake. For example, right here, I only staked about $22 worth of near coin in order for me to get NPRO. So basically, this is all you need to know right now as regards the NPRO. So first thing you need to know is wait until the latest update, until the latest version comes to Play Store or Apple Store. Secondly, you update your app, then you come over here to explore, then you search for the website. I'm going to be leaving the link right there on the video description box. Okay, and right now, for those of you who would like to get NPRO, that is those that didn't participate on the actual airdrop, you can see they have a Galaxy Quest right here. Let me show you real quick. So they have a Galaxy Quest right here, and they said join NPRO launch on Gags and get exclusive reward including USDT and a launch member credential to celebrate the TGE. So if you want to be participating on this, I will also leave the link right there on the video description box. And over here right now, once you click on the link, it is going to bring you right here, and over here you can see this is the NPRO campaign. And basically what you need to do right now is that you need what we call Galaxy account or Galaxy account, depending on how you want to pronounce it. And over here right now, you can see that you need to create a Galaxy account, connect your wallet to it, then you'll be good to go. Once you click on the link, it is going to be bringing you right here. And the first thing I need you to take note of right here is that the first reward right here include 1025 USDC, which is going to be shared among the participants, and also you are going to be entitled to 30 I don't know what they call that actually, is it beans or something? So but it's actually a reward actually. And the second one is NPRO member. This is what you are going to get for just participating on this, and also 100 points and 30 beans or whatever they call it. So for example, right now I will click on this first one right now, and once I click on this first one, you can see you need to actually meet up with certain requirements. It is either you have a Galaxy Web3 score, humanity score right here, or you have a Galaxy Passport version 2, or you have a human passport score. You need to achieve any of these. Once you achieve any of these, then you come back right here, then you complete this simple task right here, and after completing it, then you are going to be claiming it. And when you look over here right now, you can see that about 420 persons have actually participated on this, and from what I saw right here, they are going to be sharing $1,000. So if you check it properly, you will get to find out that $1,000 divided by the number of persons that are going to be sharing this, you should know how much they are going to be getting. All right, so basically this is all you need to know right now as regards the near protocol airdrop. All right, so the claiming is now live. If you participated on it, I want to say a very big congratulations to you. At least you are going to be getting something really interesting, and if you can hold your token for some certain period of time, I believe it is going to appreciate. The price is going to go up, though you may see a downtrend in the price, but do not panic. In just a short period of time, the price is going to skyrocket very, very well. All right, so but if you want to sell it. This video is not a financial advice in any way, and this is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So right now, you know how to claim your token, you know how to sell it, and basically all you need to know has been shared to you through this video. If you have any question, feel free to drop your comment right there, and I'll be there to respond to you immediately. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you on the next update that's going to be dropping very, very soon.